Hi everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a really long time since I made any videos, but I really wanted to show you guys some of the crystals I got for my shop. It's just a small little haul and they arrived and I'm so excited. I just wanted to show you guys what will be available. So let's start. I don't know why, but every time you order these crystals, like I give them props for just packaging them this way because it protects your stones. But man, is it a hassle to open these up. I'm not gonna lie. Doesn't it look like a drug lord type of vibe? Okay, well, let's just get started. And I already opened this one because I was really excited and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait and show everybody. So here you guys go. This is a beautiful tower, strawberry quartz. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm in my bedroom right now and with the light, I hope the lighting is good for you. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is the strawberry quartz. Such a beautiful tower. And now let's see. I cut this. Usually what I do is I cut it in the middle. Kind of just opens it up that way. But I deep cut it. I just go all the way around. And that way, we just unroll it. Like I said, they pretty much package this so good. But I'm okay with it because, you know, extra bubble wrap, but also it helps protect your stone. And oh my god, look at this, how beautiful this heart is. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys can see. It's beautiful rose quartz. Beautiful heart, good for love and peace. It's a pretty hefty stone. I'm so glad I got this, and I do not want to say where I got these because a lot of these stones are collected from all over the country, like Madagascar, India, Africa, and I can't really say like who my wholesaler is because I do a lot of Zoom meetings and a lot of phone calls and just a lot of messaging, and I don't want to reveal where I get them from, but I'm gonna tell you that every time I get crystals, they are legit. Okay, I make sure they come from the origin, make sure they are well taken care of. So, and then once I unbox these, I always sage them, so every time it goes out there for sale on my website or at the farmers market or any pop-up events, they are ready for you guys. All right, let's do this one. I didn't really get a lot of stones this time, but I did order some more of bigger bulks because I am running low. So I thought it was time to restock, and oh man, every time I order crystals, it's like never ending. It's like a shopping spree, but it's not even for me, it's for you guys. And I love getting stuff for you guys. There's so many cute things. I always handpick it myself. Oh, and look, I got more heart ones, but these are labradorite. Wow, look at that flash. Can you guys see it? I hope you guys can see it. If not, I'll try to get some closer up ones. So beautiful. Got that first one, and then I have this one. This one has like a slight shine and flash to it. Very good for opening up your psychic abilities if you're like really in tune with yourself. Also for wisdom. Very good, especially for those who are trying to be more awakened nowadays. So you see this big one right here. Yeah, I already wrapped so many crystals when I launched my business that I just became a professional already. Ooh, look at this. Oh my goodness, look how beautiful this is. When I first saw this one going on sale, oh, I fell in love with it so much. Look at all those phantoms. Do you see like the clear quartz? So beautiful, so big too. It's pretty heavy weighted. I love this stone because it's a very good self-reflection stone. It's a master healer. Love it, love it. Let me give you guys another look. Oh my goodness. You guys, if you guys do not swoop up these stones, that's what they're gonna be donated to me. Just saying. But this is my last stone. It's one of the biggest. And you know, when I get these stones, since they're coming from all these countries, it does take a while for me to receive them. So sometimes I forget what the heck I order, and then they come like goodies. They just show up at the door, and I'm like, what did I even buy? Guess what? They're crystals. So here it is. This one has more of the yellowish tones inside it. I don't know if you guys can see that. This one seems like a little bit whiter at the bottom, and this one's more clear. I think this one's a little bit more heavier and more of a yellow tone. So wow, I love this one. Look at the little phantoms right here. I love every crystal. Like, is there even a crystal that you just hate? Like, no, that's like never a question. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's been a while, and I hope you guys enjoy this small unboxing crystal haul, and they will be available online or on my stands when I do my pop-up events. If you follow me, you always know where I'll be. So, or sometimes I even post it on my IG, the ones I have. So yes, I'm so excited to add these to my shop. So make sure you guys follow at So Glow Supplies. And yeah, we'll stay tuned to the next unboxing. Bye!